Today's video was actually vlogged by my two amazing children. They are just the most thoughtful, caring and helpful kids. So of course, the stars of the show are Miss S and Sunshine. I do make a very quick cameo, as you can see, but I'm just so thankful to have these two. So enjoy the vlog.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to my mum's channel. We are actually going grocery shopping right now and our parents are busy working, so we decided to help out.
And yeah, do some of the chores, so we thought we would quickly pop on and take you along for the ride. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go! So Miss S, what do we have here for the fruit aisle?
So far we have some peaches.
Peaches? What else do we have?
Apricots, strawberries, a mango and some plums.
Which one are you getting?
Some broccoli.
Broccoli? Pick some good ones.
We're just getting some potatoes because I really like mashed potatoes, so I'll probably go make some. So we're just going to get a couple. Okay, Sunshine, so what type of meat are we getting?
I'm gonna get some sausages, maybe for a barbecue.
Ooh,
Let's go beef.
okay.
Which one should we get? Which one looks nice?
We should try something new.
We're eating good tonight.
Yeah, up in the section, and Sunshine and I always fight over which flavor to get. He always wants the chocolate, and I always want the milk chocolate.
Alright, so we're just about done with our little shopping trip. We've got our meats at the bottom, our veggies and our fruits at the side, some frozen meals and some
Kid-friendly touches.
kid-friendly touches. We don't need to tell them about that. So we just put away the groceries, and what are we gonna go do now?
I'm going to shop for a birthday present for my cousin. And
Your
she's
cousin? What about me too? For
our cousin, and she's turning 12, so let's have a look around.
Let's have a look around. So, looking around at some potential gifts. You see any that you like?
I feel like the plush toy. Like this one's really cute, but I think it's too
super
big. Yeah.
Alright, so we're just looking in this store now.
Sunshine's cute.
Oh, Sunshine's cute. Oh, thank
No,
you.
that's not what I meant.
Any of these do you think she'll like?
I think she likes more dresses.
Maybe a dress? Let's go have a look at the dress section. Alright, so I think we've decided on two things.
Yeah.
So let me explain.
This is Ariana Grande t-shirt, and I know she really likes Ariana Grande, and we found some hoodies, but they were too big, so we were looking around and we saw this. And I know she really likes bags to just carry around, so I thought this would be really nice for her. So we're gonna go check out in a minute.
I think that's a good pick.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
It's the next day, and we're gonna be cooking up some of the goodies we got yesterday. So today, what are we gonna be having, Mrs.?
We're having lamb cutlets, and we're also going to be boiling some corn with it and some salad.
Great, let's go. Alright, these are our ingredients. So we've got our meat, our lamb chops here. We've been letting them sit out for a while and we've lightly salted them. We've got 2 cups of rice and
We also have our favorite salad mix and our favorite roasted sesame Kewpie sauce. And then we've got 3 corns washed and some butter to coat it with. So let's get started. Just boiling the corn right now. How does it look, Sunshine?
like corn. The rice is ready.
Okay, let's go have a check the rice. Ooh, it looks good. Okay, let's prepare.
So here's our final product. We've got our lamb chops, our buttery corn, and our vegetables. What do you think, Mummy?
I think it looks good. Can I try one?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh, it's got the fatty bits. Mmm. Yum. Good job.
So we hope you enjoyed that quick little vlog. And if you want to see more of us, hit that thumbs up button.
So I hope you have a good day or night, and we'll see you in a future video.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, so it's the next day. And we thought we would take you...
Okay, so it's the next day, and we decided to bring you guys along for dinner with us.
That's fine, that's good.
Dinner with us?
Alright, so it's the next day. And we thought we would take you along for the ride as we cooked up a little... Spin this, Princess.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the dinner vlog.
What am I meant to say?